Good morning, class. How are you? I hope you all are fine. Take good care of yourself. Avoid outdoor activities. Try to remain indoor and study hard for your exams. Dear students, today is Tuesday, 13th April 2021. Our topic is factors and multiples. Exercise 3A, page number 34. Students, today we are going to start question number 7. Previously, we have done question number 1 to 6. Now, today or onward, all the questions are related to test of divisibility. And revise the test of divisibility so that you can easily understand the questions. Let's start question number 7. Question number 7 is without actual division, state whether each of the following numbers is divisible by 2, 3, 5, or 11. It means we have to find out uh, numbers whether they are divisible by 2, 3, or 5 by using test of divisibility rules, which we have discussed in the class. Let's start our question. Question number 7. Our first number is 105, and we have to test whether it is divisible by 2, 3, 5, or 11. First of all, we will see whether it is divisible by 2. Test for 2 is the digit in the unit place of the number is 0, 2, 4, 6, or 8. Means to find out whether the number is divisible by 2 or not, we have to just check its last number whether it is even. Even numbers are those which occur in 2 table. Even numbers are 0, 2, 4, 6, or 8. So we can see that the last number is odd, right? So it means it is not divisible by 2, so we will place just a cross. Then to test whether a number is divisible by 3 or not, the test is the sum of the digits of the number is divisible by 3. Clearly we can see that we have to find the sum of the number. So in the column we will find the sum of the number, that is 1 plus 0 plus 5, it is equals to 6. So students, 6 occur in 3 table. Yes, 2 threes are 6. So it means it is divisible by 6. So we will place a tick here. After that, divisible by 5. To test whether the number divisible by 5 or not, we have to check the number ends with either 0 or 5. It means its last number should be 0 or 5. Its last number is 5, so it means it is divisible by 5. You don't need to do procedure for divisible by 2 and divisible by 5, these both, right? We need to do the procedure for divisible by 3 and divisible by 11. Now to check whether the number is divisible by 11, the sum of the alternate digits should be 0 or 11. Alternate digits, we have discussed it in the previous lecture. We will add 1 and 5. 1 plus 5, and here there is no number in the other side, so it is uh, only 0. So we will subtract. First of all we will find, then we subtract the alternate digit. The answer is 6, but to for the divisibility of 11, it is necessary that answer should be 0 or divisible of 11. So these both conditions are not satisfied, so we will place a cross here that it is not divisible by 11. Now second part, 997. First of all, for divisibility of two, last number should be even, so it is odd, so we will place a cross that it is not divisible by 2. Now add them up. 9 plus 9 plus 7. 9 plus 9, 18. 18 plus 7, 25. 25 does not occur in 3 table, so it means it is not divisible by 3. For divisibility of 5, last number should be 0 or 5, so both conditions are not satisfied, it means it is not divisible by 5 as well. Now for 11, we have to add alternate digits, this one and that one. So 9 plus 7 is equals to 16. Now 16 minus that 9. 16 minus 9 equals to 7. But it should be 0 or either multiple of 11 like 11, 22. So it is also not divisible by 11. So we will also place a cross here. Now for divisibility of 2, last number should be even. It is odd, so we will place a cross. Here we will find a sum. 2 plus 0 plus 9 plus 1 is equals to 12. 12 is a multiple of 3, so it means it is divisible by 3. For 5, last number should be 0 or 5, so we will place a cross because it is 1. For 11, we will add the alternate digits. We will add 2 and 9. 2 plus 9, and here we will add 0 plus 1. Now 2 plus 9 is equals to 11. Here 0 plus 1 is equals to 1. Now we will find their difference. 11 minus 1 is equals to 10, which is not 0 or a multiple of 11, so we will place a cross. It is only divisible by 3. Let's see another part. Part number 4 is 2730. For divisibility of 2, its last number should be even, which is 0. It means it is divisible by 2. 0 is also an even number. Then we will find their sum. 2 plus 7 plus 3 plus 0. It is equals to 12, which is a multiple of 3. It means it is also divisible by 3. For 5, their last number should be either 0 or 5. Last number at unit place is 0, so it is also divisible by 5. For 11, we will add alternate digit. We will add 2 plus 3. 2 plus 3, and here we will add 7 plus 0. Now 2 plus 3, 5, and here 7 plus 0, 7. Now we will find their difference. 7 minus 5 is equals to 2. So it is not 0 or a multiple of 11, so it is not divisible by 11. Last part, 1331. Last number should be even for divisibility of 2. It is odd, so we will place a cross here. For 3, we will find their sum. 1 plus 3 plus 3 plus 1 is equals to 3 plus 1 4, 4 plus 3 7, 7 plus 1 8. 8 is not a multiple of 3, so it means it is not divisible by 3. For 5, last number should be 0 or 5. It is not 0 or 5, or so it is not divisible by 5 as well. Here for 11 we will add alternate digit 1 plus 3, 1 plus 3, and here we will add 3 plus 1, 3 plus 1, 1 plus 3 4. Here is 3 plus 1 4. Now 4 minus 4 is equals to 0. For the divisibility of 11, last number should be 0 or the multiple of 11. It is 0, it means it is divisible by 11. So 1331 is divisible by 11. So student, this is question number 7. Do that question number 7 on notebook, and try to do question number 11 and 12, where you have to test whether the given number is divisible by 6, and here you have to test whether the given number is divisible by 9. For 6 you will apply test of divisibility of 2 and 3 both, which is, first of all you will check its even number. Yes, it is even, then you will add them up. If it is a multiple of 3, then it will be divisible by 3. If both tests are satisfied, then it is divisible by 6, right? For 9 you will add the sum, like 2 plus 0 plus 7 is equals to 9. 9, so 9 is a multiple of 9. 9 ones are 9, so it means it is divisible by 9, right? Try to do question number 11 and 12. You will do it on book, or after confirming from me, then I'll assign you to do it on notebook. uh, for the your today's work is, you will do question number 7, which we have done today, on notebook, and you will do question number 11 and 12 on book. If you have any problem, you can ask. Allah Hafiz.